What's up, guys? Welcome to the grep hands-on project. So we're going to be finding strings and text files using grep with regular expressions. And we have 10 examples for that, okay? So grep is one of the most powerful tools for searching and finding strings in a text file. The name grep derives from a command in the now obsolete Unix ed line editor tool. The ed command for searching globally through a file for a regular expression and then printing those lines was g/re/p. And that's where the word grep is formed from, okay? So where re was the regular expression you would use, eventually the grep command was written to do this search on a file when not using ed. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to run advanced string searching using grep with regular expressions by giving you 10 hands-on examples on its implementations. So many examples discussed in this tutorial have practical implications, meaning you can use them in your daily Linux programming. The following samples describe some regex examples for commonly searched for patterns. Now guys, this word here, regular expression or regex, you're typically going to hear people say this as regex, okay, just meaning regular expressions, okay? One other important thing to note is that we are using a file here called book. Let me scroll down to that and show you. So we're using a file called book, okay? Book is available on the website coding-bootcamps.com under this course. Make sure that you download that and that you write that text file into your virtual machine so that you can run these commands, okay? You need to write it exactly as I have it written, exact spacing, capitalization, everything, okay? At the very least, you need to have it downloaded so you can at least cross-reference it and see how it's working against that file, okay? We're going to be using this book file for everything. So let's look at this first example here. We're just going to find a single character in a text file, okay? Now we're going to do that, and we're going to find the $sign character. Now, if we remember, $sign usually represents a variable, right? So what we need to do is we need to use this backslash character, okay? And this is how we escape special meanings of characters. Backslash is the escape character. And so what it's going to do is it's going to tell us, hey, this next character does not have a special meaning. Don't interpret it as anything else other than a literal string of $sign. Okay? So let's check that out. Got my VirtualBox here. Real quick, I am going to show you this book file. Okay? So here's the book file. This is what you need to have on your virtual machine, whether you pause the video here and type this out word by word, letter by letter, exactly how it is, or you download it from the website and do it that way. However you want to do it, you just need this file. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and clear my screen now. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and pause the video and type out this text file or download it from the website. I'm going to clear my screen now. So we're going to do grep space single quotation mark backslash, which is above your keyboard or your enter key on your keyboard, and then $sign single quote and then book. So grep, that's how it works. We use the grep command. Okay, what we're searching for and what we're searching in. Okay, I'll hit enter, and there you go. Now, you notice it gave me the whole line. So that's what grep does. It pastes the whole line that it found what you're searching for. In this case was the $sign, so it gave me that whole line. Okay. Let's check out example 2, which is finding a single string in a text file. So not a single character, but an entire string. Okay. Again, we're going to have to escape these special meanings here. So we're going to have to escape the $sign and the period sign, which of course are meta characters. So we have to throw some backslashes in front of those when we do grep, okay? So let's try that out. Now grep space single quote backslash, so don't interpret this $sign as a meta character, 1-4, backslash, so don't interpret this period as a meta character, single quote, and then on the book file. And you'll see this time, it still gave me the whole line, but it gave me the whole 1499. Okay. Let's check out our third example here, which is find a single special character in a text file. So not just a normal character, but a special character, okay? Now this one's kind of funny because we're actually trying to find backslash. Okay? So how we actually get out of the backslash is we put a backslash in front of it, which is ironic, right? So we're saying, hey, don't interpret this as a backslash. Interpret it as a literal character, which is backslash. So let's check that out. Okay, so we're going to need grep, single quote, backslash, backslash, single quote, book. And there you go. We have one line in our file. It's backslash author Kevin Downs. Okay, I'll even show you that line here. There you go. It's this second line here. Okay, so that's the only line that has a backslash, and we can see it there. I'm going to go ahead and clear my screen. We're going to head back to our homework, or our project. So that's how you would find a special character in a text file.